Hello, this is a 2018 BMW 330i, the new engine, b46. So right now I'm actually changing the evap canister. Well, I think they call it evap filter or something. But basically what happens is that it's hard to fill up, and this is the problem. Because this one's soaking fuel, that's why it's so much heavier than the new one. The new one is actually very light, right? So then to get to it, you gotta remove this little shield right here. So we'll line it off, and then the shield right here. After that, you have 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Well, 2 bolts, 1 nut. And then when you undo the connector right here, okay, these one you cannot break them. You break them, you're done. Right? So this one, the first one is like a GM connector. So it was like this. So all you gotta do, release the 2 tabs right here, 1, 2, and then go right out. The second one is actually this one. Okay, so this one very straightforward. You press the upper tab right here, upper tab, and then it will pop out. Okay, this one is a funny one actually. This one, what you want to do, you actually want to squeeze down. Don't open, squeeze down. That's how you open it. For that one is this one, the biggest one. So you want to squeeze this, like, okay, sorry. So you don't want to open it, you want to squeeze it down, like this way, like tighten it. That's how you get it out. Okay, I'm gonna put everything back and then I'm gonna show you guys. So again, this is a 2019 or 1819, the new engine. The part number is this. That's the part number. So I'm gonna put everything back and I'm gonna show you guys everything is fixed.